This is my version of the new Rockford T2. So what we do is a machined aluminum adapter plate that goes on top, and then we put the frame on top, and we went back with the 5-inch 6-hole pattern, which is then workable with the TI frame. So this is the TI frame, the 15-inch, and we can put the 15-inch or the 18-inch, either one. And you know, if we have colors in stock that, you know, we can sell you, we'll give you those colors. We do the 15-inch for $360 shipped. That includes the adapter. Basically the adapter is $60, so we make $0 on that. But after that, if you want to buy a different top assembly for whatever reason, we can make you a SPL top assembly, we can make you an SQ top assembly, we can do single 2, dual 2, and dual 1. So, but dual 1 and single 2 is the same thing. So all we do is hardwire. This one I already hardwired, and then I encapsulated the joint into the epoxy. So that's it. Now, I just talked to somebody on the phone down in Texas, and they were talking about it's like, why does it only come in a 13 and a 16? Well, there's a couple of reasons. So the 13 is Rockford's grab for real estate. So who else makes a 13-inch woofer? JL Audio. So who else makes a 13-inch woofer that's, you know, $1,500? JL Audio. So what happens when you blow a JL Audio, that's where Rockford can say, look, we'll take that same $1,500, but we'll give you twice the power. And so that's how Rockford is able to move into that space, because otherwise most people are not gonna or can't put a 15, right? And they don't want to go smaller. That's a 12, right? So they don't want to do that. But it's coming out here for the frames, sorry. But that's how they get into that. And then as far as the 16 goes, you know, you're going to do the same thing. So now why? Well, okay, sorry. Let me back up a little bit. So 16-inch, for those in their 40s like me, Pioneer tried that back in the 90s, and there's really no reason to do it except to what you do is it's proprietary, not for any performance advantage, but simply for a size, a unique size, so that when you finally kill it, you have to buy that sub again. So they're trying just to lock you in the same way that Apple locks you in. Apple keeps you in the dark and keeps you dumb. That's why your mother likes Apple. That's why your sister likes Apple. Not because women are dumb, but just women are like lazy because they can get everything they want by just winking and squeezing their tits together. So, but that's what Apple wants. They want you to just be dumb and not care about it, not think about it, and then overpay. So I think those frames are gone. Oh, I gave them back to Steve. So Stevis. But I thought I had a top assembly. Anyways, so that's the top assembly that we do for Rockford. I haven't talked to anybody at Rockford, but they said that basically the deal that they cut with the factory that makes them, which is in Asia, they refuse to sell parts. So there could be a couple of reasons for that. One is like proprietary. They don't want anybody to copy them, so, which is dumb. But anyways, typically it's probably a money thing, where the companies that I've dealt with that want to sell you a woofer, they don't want to sell you parts because they make no money on the parts. They want to sell you a whole fucking woofer. So typically what they do is they make you buy, say, 500 woofers that are pre-made, all mojoed up, you know, all beautiful. And then they'll give you like, see, if you bought 500, then they give you like 40 recon kits, no charge. You know, because you spent fucking 40 grand. Yeah, I would hope so. So, but that's really the only way to get them out. And then if you order parts direct from China, they want you to buy 1,000 pieces if you're going to buy parts. It's a different way of thinking, and it is, I don't agree with it, but whatever. I don't run the country, so I don't get a say. But that's just the way it is, and that's why typically there's There's still some injection mold people here that I use, like for the gaskets. So these are Chinese. These are from the Concept buyout. They're really great, but I actually still buy the 12-inch, 15-inch, and some other parts from a tool and die guy that, you know, TC Sounds was using for years. And the only way that I found out about them was I think Tilo had accidentally left the label on one of the boxes that he shipped to me, because we bought like 7 pallets back in 07, right before they were gonna go bankrupt, and I had no idea. But I just knew I was getting a good deal. I'm pissing people off that I was saving my money for that. Shut up, homo. Anyways, but that's what I wanted to say about that. And again, I really don't care if it's Rockford or PPI or Orion. There's no such thing as brand anymore. So don't look for brand, look for performance. Now, if you're getting you know, something because of the cosmetics, just say that you're getting it for the cosmetics. It's not a big deal. So it's like, you know, when the example I used earlier was you know, some people like Russian girls, and I'm like, oh, you like being mistreated and girls being mean to you? Okay, well, that's fine. Then just say you like mean girls. Or the other one is when I was in Hawaii, that was the best one, because these guys would go get stationed in the Philippines, and they come home and the wife is like smoking hot, like seriously crazy hot. And then she gets some bolt-ons. Oh my God, it's insane. But he gets her home, and then as soon as she's like married and they're like, she's a citizen, oh my God, then she becomes a terrible, mean lady. And but a lot of guys eat that up, man. They're beta cucks, and that's the, you know, I'm not into that, but you know, whatever. I don't want to judge other people for being beta cucks and being told what to do. So Chubs, this is your woofer. It is drying. It will ship out tomorrow. What else? The other thing. That's it for now. Oh, I wanted to do one on the transmission line, which I'll do here in a sec, but I don't like to make these long fucking videos anymore. So, love you.